Hi there, welcome to the red carpet. My voice is really trash. I put an all-nighter on this one. This is the Holiday Barbie 2019, and she's really gorgeous. I decided to make my own version, and before I show it to you, I'm just going to ask that you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. So I have this ribbon here. It's actually from the 4th of July. I got it on clearance after the 4th of July, like 50 cents. But it has the red and white stripes, so we're going to use it. This is a Dinah Jane doll from Fifth Harmony, and her hair kind of falls to the side, so we're going to have to create a side ponytail. But she has a bent knee and her hip is out, and it's going to be hard for me to use her as a model, so I'm using a straight body doll as the model. So I want to carefully line up these stripes, and I'm going to put it good side to good side, carefully apply hot glue, lay it down, and when you unfold it, the stripe should be lined up nicely. You have one large piece to work with, and I want it to kind of go diagonal, so I'm turning it to the side, and we're going to put the fabric across the dowel, measure off at the widest part where the hips are, because we need the dress to pass the hips. To contour the body, I'm going to create a little fold. Fold it inward, use a small drop of glue to lock it in place, but it turned out really bad. It's a crafting fail. It kind of really destroyed the pattern, so I undid it and had to start again, basically. So again, we're going to close it up at the hips and the back, and then at the top part of the back, we'll use a little Velcro, but to still create the contour and the waistline, I'm going to do those same pinches to create those pleats. I'm going to do it toward the back instead of in the front of the dress. That way you can still get the stripes, and you can hide it more when it's toward the back. So you very carefully make your pinch, fold, and lock it into place with a little bit of glue. Always using caution with hot glue, of course. So now we have some more ribbon, a nice red color, and it really matches the stripes. So we're going to glue it around the shoulder to create the little part around the shoulder. Then we'll glue some more to create the bow, and we're going to need a large piece to create the big skirt around the bottom of the dress. So again, we glue the ribbon and attach it to the dress. Now the Barbie, Holiday Barbie, has silver in the dress, so I'm using a little glitter to add, and you can't really see it on the camera, unfortunately. But while the glitter is drying, I am going to create a quick dowel stand. Our trick where we use the paper towel roll, cut it at 6.5 inches, cover it, bam, instant dowel stand. And I'm using flexi rods to put curls in Dinah Jane's side ponytail. After we add earrings, we put the dress on her, and here is the Mattel Holiday Barbie, and here's my version, which is really cute, but it doesn't have any of the drama that the original dress does. And I'm using a little tape to remove the little lint off of there. But she's really cute, and I do like her, but it's not nearly as fabulous as the inspiration. But like I said, it's always fun to make it. So I had a good time putting this together, even though it's a super busy time because it's Christmas. And the dress reminds me of the striped dress that I have with a large bow. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can hit me up on social media. Please leave comments and like and share this video. I appreciate you so much. And for hitting me up on Instagram when officially welcome Brushing the Fresh to the red carpet. Again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Enjoy this holiday with your family. And remember, it's more fun to make it.